Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm doing a morning routine, so let's just get into it. So basically every single morning I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up, then I ask Alexa some questions. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. If you love playing games, I have all kinds of cool ones. For a fun way to learn about them, just say, Alexa, Skill Shark.
Alexa, what's the weather today?
In Clifton Park, there's a winter storm warning in effect until Sunday, January 20th, 4 p.m. The current weather is 18 degrees Fahrenheit with snow. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 19 degrees and a low of -7 degrees.
Alexa, what is the day?
It's Sunday, January 20th.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. And then I go in my bathroom and I turn on the water. First, I turn on my light, then I make sure Alexa is on, and then I pick out my clothes. You haven't seen what I'm wearing yet, but it's really, really cute. So then I go into my bathroom, get all my morning bedhead knots out, and then I get in the shower. It's not normal, but I just got out of the shower with a turban on and a robe. Let's get ready. Then I do my hair and brush it all out. You can see I'm like, ow, ow, because I had really bad knots this morning. Then I go to get my clothes on. Then I do my makeup, and you can see that I put it in time lapse, and I do a lot. I don't actually do this a lot at school for school days, but I'm filming this on the weekend because I would not have time to film during the school day, and I'm just gonna wait for this to finish. I had to go get some stuff from my mom's room, waiting for this to finish. Just wait for this to finish. Still going. Oh, it's over. Here's my previews of what I look like. I know, it's a lot, and I look a lot more pale on camera than I do in real life though, so. Then I finally just brush my hair out completely, and then I try to style it. Like today I did just a little baby hair in the front with a low ponytail. Thanks for watching my morning routine weekday. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video, but this is like my Monday through Friday. If I don't have if I have school, I always wake up and then do this. Most days I don't do like a full face of makeup, but I'm doing this on the weekend because I couldn't fit it all in the morning because filming, because usually it goes way faster, but because I'm filming it takes way longer. So I did this on the weekend. So I did do a full face of makeup, but usually all I'll do is like some bronzer and then some lip gloss, and then I basically get on the bus and leave. But because I'm doing this on the weekend, I had a little more time to film and everything. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and let's start it again. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe down below and hit the share button and share with your friends. See ya! By the way, I'm in my room. Why do I look so pale on camera? I'm not this pale in real life. But I'm just saying, if you guys want to see a full face of makeup, like not a time lapse, like step-by-step tutorial, just comment that down below. And then I might actually get to doing it. But I was just saving time and I did it in time lapse. So thanks for watching.